Alright, hello folks. Today I'm excited because, well, it's time to engine swap this thing. We got the old engine and a new engine. I ordered this off of GoPowersports.com, a great go-kart part company, although lately there is some issues, which I'll explain a little later. But I'll see if this fits. We'll take off this one, unbolt everything, take it off, and put this one on. And yeah, let's get going. Here's all the packaging. We'll start off by unbolting the throttle cable. Unfortunately, I did run this engine quite recently, so it's kind of hot. Next, I'll unbolt the torque converter, which you'll need to see from this side. Moment of truth. I'll pick this one up and set it on here and see if the bolt holds the line. The bolt holds. It looks promising. Wow, you can tell it's bigger. No doubt. So it came with its own mounting hardware, as you can see here. So I guess I could use either or. last bolt, and then we'll tighten them down. Now folks, in case you didn't know, so the engine I took off there was a 136cc 4 horsepower engine. This is a 212cc 11.5 horsepower engine. We are literally tripling the horsepower and almost doubling the displacement. No, not almost, but we're upping the displacement a lot. It's just a lot higher quality engine anyways. It's a Tillotson engine. Let's get to tightening. Alright, well, that's that for the bolting hardware. Now, let's get the torque converter on. The problem I was talking about is it did not come with a header pipe, an exhaust pipe. It's just came with that, which I was expecting it to come with the header pipe just in the packaging, but it didn't. It's nowhere to be found. So I don't know what's going on there. I'll have to order one because obviously you don't really want to run it like this. But it came with this awesome looking air filter. I mean, just look at the size of that thing. You'll get great airflow. It's also very greasy for some reason. Here's the air filter adapter. See, it next down a lot to that little carburetor. But that's what I'm gonna have to do next, is take off this cover so I can hold the flywheel while I take off that bolt so we can bolt on the torque converter. Well, let's put our throttle cable on right now, I guess. So it comes with the mounting place that holds the cable part and the mounting place that holds the casing for the cable. I'll get our that. Alright, it's the next day, and we've finished all the odds and ends up. We even have the, we even have the cable hooked up for the kill switch that's on the dash, if you will, right here. So that's nice. So we have that as an added safety and just ease of turning it off. And it looks great, minus the fact that we don't have the header pipe. So I just installed the header pipe, the little short little manifold thing from the old engine. It's not ideal because it's a little too small, but it works for now. And I'll tell you, I rode this off camera. It's a beast. It is so much faster, so much more powerful, and you will see very shortly what I mean. It's also so much louder. Actually, I could put the chuck. Alright, do a bit of a drag race here. Up the hill. What? We're doing a drag race, that's a drag race. Alright. I don't know how easy or hard it is to tell on camera, but this thing is way faster. The acceleration, the top speed, everything. Like going up that trail that we did last, with the old engine, it would have bogged a ton and gone really slow. With this thing, it spun the tires the whole way up, pretty much. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, we had filled it up with oil and broke in the engine by running it for about 15 minutes and then draining out the oil to get out all the metal chunks and everything. So it's broken in, and then we replaced the oil, and Anthony's apparently using it as a hand warmer, which it is cold out here today, so that air filter looks great. Love the look of that. Also I don't know, the blue it's interesting. It's pretty nice actually. You can see it's already getting a little dusty. But yeah, it's also nice that we hooked up the throttle cable, so now you don't have to reach back and touch the thing at all. Okay, so we have it jacked up, and we're gonna start it so you can kind of see the difference in power. And also, not to mention, we put a new belt on it. Oh yeah, look at that thing. Backfires so much with that little tiny pipe. Did you see that? Wow! Oh, I hope I caught that on camera. That little tiny pipe. Yeah, look at that. Big. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but there's some skid marks. Alright, well, thank you for watching. The go-kart is so much better. I'll update you when I get the header pipe. Alright, well, we got good news. Lots of good news. First off, the header pipe came. It actually took a lot longer than I anticipated. It's been over a week, but we got it finally. And the other good news is, yeah, it snowed here. Doesn't snow too often, but that means this thing will be doing some insane donuts. It already did insane donuts. But anyways, let's get this thing mounted and see how it looks, and more importantly, how it sounds. It's like absolutely flooded in here. We drove this thing earlier, so didn't record that, but all right. We got our hardware and the old pipe. Yeah, it comes over right by the... Put our crush washers on. See, it's kind of yellow in there. And imagine from just a bit of corrosion and whatnot. I could actually take this pipe off and clean it up some on the inside. Open up so there's no ridge where it connects here. Maybe get a touch more airflow. But let's see how this thing sounds. Here's how it looks. Not bad. I imagine it'll backfire a lot less popping and crackling. Jack it up so I don't run away. The only thing is now when you're starting it, it blasts you in the crotch. But, oh well. For some reason, it took an exceptionally long time to start. We finally managed to get it started, but it took a while. That's not even close to full throttle. That's like half. I'll tell you. It's pretty cool engine. Yeah, let's see if I drop a little bit of water on it. It'll go. By the way, this is a bad idea. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, a lot less backfiring, that's for sure. It's already warmed up, so. Wow, you can hear that echoing off the garage.
That is ear penetrating loud. Yeah, it's not any more quiet. It's just a slightly different sound. I gotta run. It did donuts before, but now it's unstoppable with the snow. Thanks for watching, folks. This has been a great project, engine swapping this go-kart, this Black Widow go-kart, to have 11.5 horsepower instead of its measly 4 before. Thank you for watching once again, and we'll see you next time.